And he's treated like a prisoner, like a criminal. No one could see the goodness within his heart. Everyone knew him as he was from Lanka and Lankani. People from Lanka are these kind of people. As such, we tend to label people in the world like this. Whether we know or what we hear is true or not, we label them and we live with the label, and we don't even stop to think, should we change the label? Should we give them a chance to be different? Here, Babishan is trying to be different, but all those who welcome him are treating him like he is the criminal. They detain him, and of course, Sugriv, who's now with Prabhu Ram. After the Lord had made friends with him, Sugriv had given all of his army of monkeys, of Hanumanji being one of them, to support the Lord in his quest to retrieve Mother Sita. So they went to Sugriv and told him that, you know, Dasanand ka bhai is here, Ravan's brother is here. And Sugriv, of course, went to the Divine Lord and says, listen, Raghunath, Ravan's brother Babishan has come to see you. Here we see political wisdom. Here we see political wisdom, we see divine qualities, and we see the humane qualities all at the same time. The question is placed to Bhagwan Ram that Babishan has come. He's come to see you. कहा प्रभु सका मुहिए कहा कहे कपि से सुन नर नार
श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम
जानी न जाई निशाचर माया
श्री राम जय जय राम
जानी न जाई निशाचर माया
श्री राम जय जय राम
काम रूप के कारण आया
श्री राम जय जय राम
श्री राम जय जय राम
राम जय जय राम।
प्रभु ने कहा, हे मित्र, they asked my Lord, so what should be done? प्रभु ने कहा, हे मित्र, ओ माय फ्रेंड्स, तुम्हारी क्या राय है? वानर राज सुग्रीव ने उत्तर दिया. Asking the question, Prabhu Sri Ramchandra says, tell me, what do you all advise that I do? Sugriv answered the question, हे महाराज, सुनिए, निशाचरों की माया समझ में नहीं आती. वह इच्छानुसार रूप धारण करने वाला न जाने किस कारण आया है. Sugriv says, my lord, these people are demonic qualities and they have all kinds of ulterior motives. You can't trust them. One does not know why he has come here. And remember, he is capable of being anything he wants. Now, when we make the statement here, we are thinking they're capable of being anything he wants, changing form. But in the reality sense, we can have the same form and be anything that we want. So the change here is not the transformation of the body, but we can be a wolf in sheep's clothing or a sheep in wolf's clothing. He says we can take on any state, any mode we want at any time. And he said, these people of this nature, watch them. So immediately Vibhishan is not treated like a devotee of God. He's treated like just a Rakshas. But yet, he has profound divine qualities. When Sugriva answered to the Lord and told him that, you can't trust him, he goes on to elucidate and to explain to the Lord why. Ved hamara lin sat ava ratya vadi mohi asbhava. Sri Ram Jai Ram
Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama.
Sakha niti tumati ki vichari.
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama.
Sakha niti tumani ki vichari.
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama.
Mama pan sarana gat payhari.
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama.
Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama. Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai. Sugrim says, my Lord, Yah Murkh, this is a fool who's come into this camp. He thinks we are all stupid, we will just accept him. My Lord, I'd suggest that we just put him in a lock and keys and lost him away in prison. Prabhu Sri Ramchandra Bhagwan, listening carefully, तब श्री रघुनाथ जी ने कहा, हे मित्र, तुमने राजनीति तो नेक विचारी, परंतु शरणागत के भय हो. He says, based upon the policies of war and Rajniti, and we are in conflict, you are quite right. That is what should be done with him. But he says, in my case, he says, I am Sharanagat. I am supposed to give refuge to anyone who comes to me. Whether they are murderer, thief, whatever they are. If they come to me, I have to give refuge. And he says, it is my vow as Sharanagat, the one who relieves, is to relieve anyone's difficulties. And he's coming to me, and I cannot refuse him. So we have political wisdom, we have divine and intellectual approach. In the world that we live in, these two are always there. We may choose what will be politically correct, as they say, to do, and we may ignore the divine wisdom. Here, Bhagavan Ram is saying, I know the political wisdom, but I know my duty as a human being. I know my duty as a man to a man. I know my duty as a human to another human being. He said that takes priority. He's talking about the human rights code right now. He said the human rights code, every man is innocent until proven guilty. And he says you cannot determine his guilt. He's come to me for refuge. We need to receive it. The laws of society are built upon the laws of God. Here in this simple few chaupas, Rajniti, political intelligence, human conflict, the good being treated as the bad being one that everyone who associates get the same blame. As such, Sant Goswami Tulsidas is trying to give us a picture of the real world. He says, this is the way the world is. Be conscious of it. And he goes on to say, Suni Prabhu Bachana Harash Hanumana Saranagat Panchal Bhagavana. Sri Ram Jai Ram
Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama.
प्रभु बचन हर्ष अनुमाना।
श्री राम जय राम।
शरणागत वत्सल भगवाना।
श्री राम जय राम।
बोलो श्री राम जय राम।
राम। श्री राम जय राम।
While all of this is going on, Hanumanji, who's always at the feet of the Lord, was observing. He did not intervene. Sugrim talked, it was a Jamban talk, and all of them says, lock him up, throw the key away. Hanumanji was very quiet. But Hanumanji was what? He was waiting and listening for his Lord and Master's response. You know, sometimes there's a lot of wind and sound being made in a gathering. But then there is a voice of wisdom that suddenly speaks. We have to wait and listen for that voice of wisdom. If we're just listening to the wind and all the noise that's going on, when the voice of wisdom speaks, it just fly over our head. But Hanumanji, in the posture of this waiting, संत गोस्वामी तुलसीदास से प्रभु श्री राम जी ने वचन सुनकर हनुमान जी प्रसन्न हुए. Hanuman ji was exceedingly happy when he heard how the Lord responded to Sugrim's declaration that Vibhishan should be put away in chains. And what does he declare? उन्होंने मन ही मन कहा, in his mind he is saying, भगवान श्री रामचंद्र जी शरण में आए हुए व्यक्ति के प्रति पुत्र सा प्रेम करने वाला, पुत्र का प्रेम करने वाला. He said, now look how the Lord is such a good father, a loving father, who is always to receive his children who comes to him. How the Lord is such a good father who is always there to receive. It doesn't matter what his children does. When they come to me, I'm ready to receive them. Sitapati Ramachandra Bhagavan ki jai. Then the Divine Lord makes a statement. शरणागत कहु जेत जही, निज अनहित अनुमानी. हे नर पावर पापो में, तिन्हि लोचत आन सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. श्री रघुनाथ जी ने फिर कहा, जो मनुष्य के अपने अहित का अनुमान कर शरणागत का त्याग कर दे रहे हैं, हे बीच है, पापमय है, उन्हें देखने से भी हानि होती है. Those who forsake, those who come to God for suspicion, those who forsake, those who come to God because of suspicion. You know, the world is full of suspicion. I suspect. We don't know. They said, I hear, they tell me, they said so. And then on that we judge and we forsake and we ignore. He says, those who forsake, those whose intentions are of that nature, because of suspicion, may do them injury and are vile and sinful. He says, such people are more sinful than the ones they're accusing. Because they have no compassion or forgiving nature or a willingness to understand or to accept that yes, that this Babishan can be good. Yet he come not with arms. He didn't bring a gun or an army. He came, he says, I just want to see my Lord. So Prabhu Sri Ramchandra Bhagavan said, we must start out with trust. And then work with that trust. And even when there is an opportunity to lose that trust, work to build the trust. Prem Su Sitapati Ramachandra Bhagavan ki Jai. He goes on to make this declaration, and the Lord is speaking now.
Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
कोटि विप्र बदलागे जाऊं, आई शरण सरू नहीं ताऊं।
राम, सिया राम, जय जय राम। राम, सिया राम, जय जय राम।
सन्मुख होय जीवा मोहि जबहि, जन्म कोटि नासहि तबहि।
राम, सिया राम, जय जय राम। राम, सिया राम, जय जय राम।
पापवंत कर सहज स्वभाव, भजनु मोरते पावन काल।
राम, सिया राम, जय जय राम। राम, सिया राम, जय जय राम।
जो पय दुष्ट हृदय सोई होई, मोरे संग आवती सोई।
राम, सिया राम, जय जय राम। राम, सिया राम, जय जय राम।
प्रभु जी ने कहा, the Lord says, I will not abandon even the murder of 10 million Brahmins. To kill one Brahmin, you have enough sins for many lifetimes, it is said. But he says, if they have killed 10 million Brahmins, I will not abandon such a person if they sought refuge in me. We have to understand this statement that the Lord is making. In Hinduism, in all religion, we are told that God is very compassionate and God is very forgiving. But in Hinduism, you see the unending and the boundless compassion of God. Whereas in other religions, it may not be so. Well, let me explain, and please do not take this as a negative criticism of other religions, just an observation of a fact of philosophy. According to the Abrahamic religions, which is Judaism, Christianity and Islam, you come into the world, you live your life, and if you live a good life, you go to heaven. If you don't live such a good life, you go to hell. You get one chance, if you don't make it, that's it. And they say that God is compassionate. In Hinduism, we say you come into this world, and if you don't do so good, you get a chance to come back and try again. That is the unending compassion of God. So Bhagavan Sri Ram is really emphasizing the point that His compassion is beyond. It doesn't mean you must continue to do wrong and say, God will forgive me, I'll come back next week for forgiveness. No. We must be conscious of the fact that although He is unending, compassion is there, as merciless, we must try it always to do better and to be good. But His compassion is unending. Here, He says that I cannot abandon anyone who comes to me. As soon as a being appears before me, the sins of all of his past karma are washed away. Now let's get this straight. You mean as soon as I stand in front of a Murti program, all my sins washed away? That's not what he means. No. As soon as a being appears before me, how do we appear before God? When do we get this opportunity to appear before God? When? On Judgment Day? When no one can help? But how do we get this opportunity to, as it says, appear before Him?
Take refuge in Him. Take refuge in Him.
Take refuge in Him. All right, everybody understands that? How do you take refuge in Him when you can't see Him? By surrendering yourself to Him. Give the gentleman a big hand, please. Taking refuge and surrendering yourself. But how do you take refuge in surrendering yourself to Him? Physically, how do you do this? Give this gentleman a big hand, please. Anil ji. By going deep within the self and discovering the Lord within the self, then you can say, God, I am with you, and surrender to Him. Because if you cannot discover Him within you, you cannot surrender to Him. And when a being can discover God within himself, that is when all the sins are removed. Only at that time. Here, Prabhu Sri Ramchandra Bhagavan declared, he says, all sins, when you have surrendered yourself to me by realizing me, it is what is called self-realization. Or the realization of God within. Prem Svatitapati Ramachandra Bhagavan ki jai. But he goes on to tell us, पापी का यह जन्म जान स्वभाव होता है कि इस मेरा वचन कभी अच्छा नहीं लगता. He says a sinner's innate disposition is to abhor worship of my person. He says a true sinner cannot come to me. A true sinner cannot come to me. Now, it's not meant to be personal to anybody. There are many people who come into this property but never come into the mandir. They come in the parking lot and they drop their wife off or their grandmother or their mother off or their child, but they don't come inside. If they come, they stand in the corridor, but they'll never come into this precinct. It is said that the true sinner, Bhagavan said, cannot come to me. It is when they have realized that they have sinned, only then they can come to me. And then they want to be near to me. But before that, they will never come to me. It doesn't matter if you tie them together in a bundle. They'll be there, but they said, I'm not here. So here the Lord is making some very, very clear definitions. He says, if Bibhishan was wicked at heart, how could he come into my presence? He could not have come into my presence if he was wicked at heart. He was in his environment wicked. He hung out with all the wrong people. You know, I will tell you, I have many shishyas. I don't even know how many I have, and I don't think I know them anymore. Some of them don't know me. But I remember a couple of years ago, one of them who I knew and then forgot about, and he forgot about me. One night about 11 o'clock I got a call. And it was my Sishya. And I was trying to figure out who he was. And he says, Panditji, Guruji, it's your godson. And I said, oh really? Kaun hai? He tells me his name. I said, what's the problem? Why are you calling me this name? Panditji, I'm in trouble. Why are you calling me? Why don't you talk to your parents? I can't talk to my parents. Well, he was in trouble with the law. So he called me. He haven't talked to me for I don't know how long. I can't remember his name. My point was that when you are ready to give in, only then, and you know the reality is I couldn't refuse him. I did what I had to do instantly. Because he was definitely come to the realization that he wanted to get advice and guidance. Well, life goes on. Prem Sitapati Ramachandra Bhagavan ki jai. Vibhishan has accepted and he wanted to go to the Lord. And the Lord declares that only when someone accepts they want to come to me, only then can they come to me. You can hog tie them, beat them, do whatever you want. You can take the horse to the water, but you can't make them drink. They must want to drink. Now, Vibhishan wants to drink from the lotus feet of the Lord. He wants to drink of the touch of nectar of divinity. He wants to experience that sweetness of self-realization. Sant Goswami Tulsidas in this final chaupai tells us,
Nirmal man jan so mohi pawa, mohi kapat chal chidran bhava.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram.
Ved lena patvadas Sita.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram.
Tabhu na kapyu bhai aani kabisa.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram.
Bolo.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram.
Prabhuji ne kaha, the Lord is saying, only a man, only a being of a pure soul can find me. I have no aversion to duplicity. Even if Ravan has sent him to spy out our secrets, we have nothing to fear and nothing to lose. He says, even if Ravan has sent him to spy out our secrets, we have nothing to fear and nothing to lose. Why? We're not here to hurt anybody. We're not here to do Ravan wrong. We're here really to retrieve Mother Sita. So we have nothing to fear or nothing to lose. So be conscious of this, O Sugriv. And he says, remember, when I am here to protect you, what fear should you have? When you have my protection? He says, look, Lakshman can dispose of all the demons in the world just like this. Why does he say that Lakshman can do this? Just like that. And yet he's fighting a war and dealing with all of these things. Now, there's a katha that says that once Parvati and Shivji were having a discussion. And Parvati ji said, you know, Prabhu, you are capable of doing anything. He said, huh? He says, you can make anything happen. He says, huh? He says, you can make anything, anybody get that? He says, well, what's the point? He says, well, if you can do all of it, why is it you have people suffering in the world? Why don't you not make them all happy? He said, I can't do that. He said, well, why not? He says, because they don't want to be happy. Even if I try, they don't want to be happy. So it doesn't matter what I want to do, they will do what they want to do. I want all of them to be happy. She says, no. I'm sure they all want to be. Who doesn't want to be wealthy and happy and have everything? She says, you'll be amazed. So she said, well, look, just for my sake, why don't we go and try to see who's someone who's suffering and do something and see if they'll not be happy. He says, you're going to regret this, you know. She says, no, please, for me. She says, okay. So they looked around, they picked a couple. He said, look at a couple. They don't have much. Make their life so wealthy. Give them all the wealth in the world. He said, no problem. So the couple is walking down this village road, and Bhagwan says, okay, look, I will give them all the wealth in the world. He puts in front of them a big tray of all of the most precious gems in the world. Even one they would have, they'll be rich for all their life. And they're coming along, the two of them are playfully talking, and the wife says to the husband, he says, you know, I've always wondered what it will be like to be blind. He says, you remember when you used to play and cover your eyes and find each other? He said, yeah, that's fun, you know. She said, let's do that now. So, how are we going to play? She said, let's put these things and cover our eyes. So they put the kerchief over their heads, and the two of them are walking and just pretending to be blind and finding their way, and they walk right past all of the gold and jewelry that Bhagwan Shiva put in front of them. Shivji said, Parvati, dekho na, dekho. Suddenly they became blind. All the wealth is in front of them. I've given them, but you said, see, I cannot give them. They have to deserve it. Then we'll come to them. They have to deserve it, and then we'll come to them. One of the most realities, one is more we can relate to, is that the man who Parvati was again, you know, badgering Lord Shiva, you know. Parvati badgering Lord Shiva, the husband, the wife, you know. Please do something, do something. He said, okay, look, I want you to know that people do not want me to do things for them. Some of them are quite prepared to live the way they are, and they want it to be that way. It doesn't matter how much I give them, they'll still be miserable. He says, no. So, he says, okay, let's go. Where do you want to go now, Parvati? He says, let's go to a hospital where people are very sick. And you heal some of them right away, make them feel good. He says, okay. So, goes to the hospital, goes into the ward where people are terminally ill. What's his problem? This one is terminally ill, had an accident, no hope. Bhagwan Shiva touched him, immediately got up, feel good, Jai Ho. Second bed, same thing, third bed. Fourth bed, before he got there, the man says, don't touch me, I'm on workman's compensation. So you see, we all have our ulterior motives and then we blame God. Prem Sitapati Ramachandra Bhagavan Ki. Our katha tonight was intended to present to the world, as it was intended then and is now, that do not judge anyone. First, judge lest ye be judged. Judge not lest ye be judged. Don't accuse anybody of something, even if you know you're right. Don't judge. It is not for you and I to judge. It is for you and I to help, to assist, to appreciate, to understand, to forgive, but not to judge. Parents are not supposed to even judge children. They're supposed to give guidance, support, encouragement, understanding, and forgiveness. But you see, we live in a world where judgment is the priority. And then we make proclamations after judgment. When we make judgments, everybody gets hurt. Vibhishan left with a kick, he got pain, and he left. And he says, I'm going to the Lord where I'll be feel good. And when he got there, they wanted to throw him in jail. But there's another message that we have to understand. If you and I are the Vibhishan of the world, we must remember that the world is not a gentle place. You have to be prepared to take the good with the bad. Your intention is good, but still, you'll find those who will treat you bad. You'll find those who will treat you very poorly. That doesn't mean you must change your intention and say, but look, I can't put up with this, I will become like them too. No. You have to continue to be Vibhishan, even if you're living with Ravan. And I know some of us are living with Ravan. And some of us are living with Vibhishan and we don't recognize it also. So, do not judge. And even if you're living in the kingdom of Ravan, you can still have Ram Mandir in your heart. And when you have Ram Mandir in your heart, no Ravan can dominate you, truly. Prem Sitapati Ramachandra Bhagavan Ki Jai. We thank you for coming here tonight. And every year when we had this yajna, our Vishwakarma community, who have been so dedicated in this mandir, they have been the ones who have gracefully given this beautiful Vishwakarma Murti. They always sponsor one night. Sri Vishwakarma Association of Canada. Give them a big round of applause, please. And they are here. If you ever have the opportunity, if you've never been, come to one of the Vishwakarma Jayanti programs here. When is the next one? August? August 4th, Sunday. Come and sit and enjoy their worship of Vishwakarma. Today they have sponsored Priti Bhojan and we thank them very much. We thank all of you for being here, and I will want to thank my brother Sam and ask to beg your patience that we'll have Sam do for me one bhajan, if you can sit there. And then we will conclude. Children? Okay, fine. 2? 1? Okay. Sam has brought these children from very far, so we'll give them an opportunity to sing. They're all very talented, so give us a few minutes to. Today's Saturday, and we can stay a little late. Very good.
दुख भंजन मारुति नंदन सुन रो मेरी पुकार पवन सुत बिनती बारंबार पवन सुत बिनती बारंबार
मारुति नंदन लो मेरी पुकार पवन सुत बिनती बारंबार पवन सुत बिनती बारंबार
ते दुख भंजन मारुति नंदन सुन रो मेरी पुकार पवन सुत बिनती बारंबार पवन सुत बिनती बारंबार सिद्धि प्रेरता भाग्य विधाता
भाग्य विधाता
सिया राम के साज सवारे सिया राम के
साथ सवारे
मेरे करो उद्धार पवन सुत बिनती बारंबार पवन सुत बिनती बारंबार हे दुख भंजन मारुति नंदन सुन रो मेरी पुकार पवन सुत बिनती बारंबार पवन सुत बिनती बारंबार
करो जय आवड़ बिहारी
आवड़ बिहारी
भक्ति भाव के जानू
भक्ति भाव से जाओ तो
करो पाठ मारुति नंदन सुन दो मेरी पुकार करने
Sam Prasad spends quite a lot of his time working with his children and encouraging them to do what they're doing, something that we all are very proud of. So let's give the children a big hand, please. Prem so Sita Bari Ramachandra Bhagavan ki. Let me take this opportunity to invite you to join us again. This yajna continues and we're concluding on Saturday night. Every night, the Katha will start from 7:15 and we conclude approximately just before 9. And tomorrow night, Katha continues. Tomorrow morning, our Sunday morning service is still there. And then we have Ram Katha in the evening. Please do invite friends and relatives. And if you want to share this experience with others who are outside of Canada, outside of the GTA, you can tell them to go on our website. We are trying to make the program live every night. If you go on the internet, www.rammandir.ca, then you are able to pick up live during this hour, or you can go afterwards and you can pick it up also. So you can share that to people outside of Canada or outside the GTA, that they can see this at all times. Also, our Sunday morning program is also live on the internet every Sunday morning. So please share that also with us. We want to take this opportunity to welcome those of you who have come. Is there anyone here who's come to our mandir tonight for the first time? Kaun pehle baar aaye? Ek, do? Give them 3-4 people. Give them a wonderful round of applause, please. We welcome you to see Ram Mandir and invite you to join us as often as you can. And please do come. The mandir is open 7 days a week, 15 hours a day. And there's always a priest in attendance, and there's always so much activity in the mandir that you can find yourself getting involved in some way. सभी लोग खड़े हो जाएं, आरती करेंगे. Our seniors can go first. Those people who are 16 over.
आरती श्री रामायण जी की विरक्ति ललित ललित सियति. आरती श्री रामायण जी की विरक्ति ललित ललित. आरती श्री रामायण जी की, बोलो. आरती श्री रामायण जी की विरक्ति ललित ललित. गावत ब्रह्मादिक मुनि नारद वाल्मीकि विज्ञान विशारद. सुख संकादित शेषारद परिभवन सुत कीरति. आरती श्री रामायण जी की, बोलो. आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति ललित ललित सियति की. आरती श्री रामायण जी की विरक्ति ललित ललित सियति की. आरती श्री रामायण जी की विरक्ति ललित ललित सियति की. गावत वेद पुराण अष्टदश चारों शास्त्र सब ग्रंथन को रस. मुनि जन संतन को सर्वस सुख संपत सब. आरती श्री रामायण जी की, बोलो. आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति ललित ललित सियति की. आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति ललित ललित सियति की. गावत संतत संभवाली अर्घट संभव मुनि विज्ञानी. व्यास आदि कविवर जब काली सांग विष्णु गरुड़ के. आरती श्री रामायण जी की, कीरति कलित ललित सियति की। आरती श्री रामायण जी की, कीरति कलित ललित सियति की। कलिमल हरणी विषय रस पीकी, सुभग सिंगार मुक्ति जुगति की। दल दरुग भव मूरिय की, मात मात सब विधि तुलसी की। आरती श्री रामायण जी की, आरती श्री रामायण जी की। कीरति कलित ललित सियति की। आरती श्री रामायण जी की, कीरति कलित ललित सियति की। कीरति कलित ललित सियति की। कीरति कलित ललित सियति।
We invite everyone to clasp our hands and close our eyes, bow our heads in humility. As we offer our concluding prayers, we appeal to God. Hey Prabhu Ram, O Lord, we are all Bhavishans, struggling to detach ourselves from the Ravan and the Lanka of this world. Help us, O Bhagavan. We know that you are Sharanagat, you grant refuge to all. We are coming. We are struggling to get there, O Lord. Help us along the way. Oh, Hari Om, Hari Om. Tvameva Mata Pita Tvameva, Tvameva Bandhu Tvameva Vidya Dravidam, Tvameva, Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva, Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Om Thou Shanti Antariksham Shanti, Ritvi Shanti, Raga Shanti, Roshadaya Shanti, Vanaspati Shanti, Vishwadeva Shanti, Brahma Shanti, Sarvevam Shanti, Shanti Deva Shanti Shanti. For those of us who can, please bow our heads touching the ground. Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Asato Ma Sadagamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Jyorma Amritam Gamaya. Prem Sachidabdi Ramachandra Bhagavan ki जय. सच्चे सनातन धर्म की सबको जय 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 श्री राम. सभी लोग आसन लीजिए. Everyone please take arati and then bhojan is prepared for everyone, please. Partake.
You want to bring the batteries?
No, this is okay.
What was that? Focus. I'm going to start with whatever skills they have. You can help them know who's your dad.
Ganesh, make sure the double battery is charged.
Yeah. Okay. Just watch the case behind you, right?
The Dating Minder kids?
Huh?
The Dating Minder kids.
Got it. Oh, yeah.
I think, oh yeah. Can you leave one light on? Yes. Thank you.
You know? Can you wrap up this water? Please? Yeah, Robbie said he was gonna play today. Oh, they weren't home when you left? Oh. I heard the food was really good. What do you guys have? No way. Curry? I had the dream meal today. Sit down. There's a connector with that too?
How's the other wire?
Or is that just one wire?
No, that one's there.
Oh, okay.
You want the same?
Is there the connector with it too? No, I mean the one that connected these two wires.
Oh, there must be.
Yeah. Just making sure that's it. Yeah. I saw the sign first, so then I went looking for it. So I'm like, big mark. Thank you for watching us. Did you see my reply?
Oh, you know, in order to gain more followers, you should reply to your goals and stuff.
Oh, and this one too. You know.
You are wire wrapping. So cool today.
Oh, where's the other two wires? The other two?
Over there.
Oh, okay.
What do you want?
Make it smaller.
What's
So smaller. Bottom. Yeah.
Oh. There's something new every day.
I don't know. There's this bag right here.
I learned how to close in the
this
first
bag.
place. That was enough for me. I learned how to close in the first place. That was enough for me. I got the
Watch out, your fingers can easily get pinched.
Okay, but if that's it. This thing would go up. Yeah, it's okay.
So you just put those wires in this bag, and then stand goes in this bag.
This is going to take a walk.
Huh?
This is going to take a walk one day.
A walk? No, the stand goes in this bag.
Oh. Here. I don't know. Uncle Rohan leaves it there.
No, there's one that has no stand, one bag.
Uh-huh.
One has a bag. Apparently, that's like a $4,000.
What?
But it's a Chinese coffee, so it costs $5.
No.
It's because it pivots.
So I guess you want to Is it just like a top piece being pivoted?
Like it goes like you can balance it like this, over an angle,
okay.
and then you go up and down left to right.
Okay, where's
No, that goes on.
Sweet. Tomorrow. Are they here?
Cool.
Uncle Rohan.
Nope.
So then, what are you going to do for coming? Oh. I see a Mandir in the morning and night time. Look at Mr. Mandir. Mr. Mandir. Mr. Mandir. And He's gonna be on Facebook and Twitter for the month.
I've been tweeting and Facebooking.
I know. I know.
No, that's just people like actually watch. After I post, I can see who clicks on the link from the Facebook post. So tons of people click on the Facebook post link.
Sorry, 2 seconds. And then realize what we've gotten into, and then you click out.
Pretty much.
On Ramander's page, so I can see what Ramander's posting.
Where's this?